find a good way to edit it.
What's up guys, it's Cody of 3D printing technology. So for this video I'm going to be going over the best 3D printable designs to download in 2020. So right now in 2020 there's only really 3 main sites to download 3D printer files, or at least the ones that's popular. You got Thingiverse, MyManufactory.com, and Prisa's new community site. So I'll show you a few of these I've 3D printed. One of the more popular designs to 3D print for this year was kind of unexpected, but the coronavirus. This has gotten a lot of downloads and 3D prints if you just search the 3D printing hashtag on Instagram or Facebook. Prisa is probably one of the better designs out right now, but there is more than one face shield design. Another design is on Thingiverse.com. It's the Baby Yoda figurine sculpture. This kind of got popular around the Mandalorian Disney Plus TV series show. So here is Thingiverse.com. This is one of the original ones that first started doing online file sharing. As you can see, they recently updated their user interface for their site. So I'll just go through a few of these, like most popular or most makes. Here is one of the more popular 3D printable items is the Benchy. It's essentially a small 3D printable boat that has different design features to test whether your printer has been properly calibrated or not. Another more popular print is the 3D Hubs Marvin keychain. This isn't as popular as the 3D printed Bentley, but this has a lot of makes as well. So another group of 3D printable items is these Pokemon. Got the Bulbasaur, Pikachu, Charizard, and whatever the last one is, Squirtle. And main three is by Flowstick, and another one's from a different one, the Pikachu. But these are really cool prints because it's easier to print because it's low poly and it's less support needed. Another upcoming website is manmanufactory.com. It is similar to thingiverse.com, but this one seems to have more premium type prints. Designers can upload a file and decide whether or not to make it free or make it paid for, which is different compared to thingiverse.com. So you'll likely see a better quality print here. And the last of the three main file sharing sites is presacommunity.org. I believe that's the web address. But it's Presa 3 printers. You want to make the MK3 and Presa Mini. It's their own in-house website for sharing files. Okay, so here's the 4 Pokemon that I showed you. Then we got the Fab 365 van. This moves, it rolls, and it posts in price. Then here's one of those calibration cubes that was on one of these sets. Then we got the mini Yoda and Darth Vader. Here's a Marvin 3D hub. And over here we have a Beehive Easter egg and a Voltron figure. So this one's Pet G on the top, and these are PLA. This is HTP. This is PLA plus. Pet G. Temperature changing filament, and I think it says PLA. So the band that you just saw, it came from this website right here, fab365.net. This designer designs a lot of 3D printable objects that can be folded into place, either by sliding, snapping into place, or folding. So here's two of the 3 printed Pokemon that I showed you. These are printed at a much larger scale than the other ones are, because these are Comic Con pieces. And here's a Banshee. This is also a little bit bigger than other ones. Here are the 2 Star Wars figures on Thinkiverse.com. Mini Vader and Mini Yoda. These dinosaurs here are a last minute addition that I found a couple hours before editing this video, so I didn't have time to print it. But if you go to DuncanShadow.com, no spaces, you can find these dinosaurs right here. If you use a coupon code, I believe it's only a limited time. Anyways, that's gonna wrap up the video. If you'd like to be on today's videos first, make sure to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.